In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export and import bookmarks in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the menu options at the top right of the window. Once Chrome is open, look to the upper right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you will find many browser settings and tools. From there, move to Bookmarks and then click Bookmark Manager. The Bookmark Manager is the place where Chrome stores and organizes all of your saved bookmarks. After the Bookmark Manager opens, go again to the upper right area of that page and click the three-dot menu there. This is a different menu from the main Chrome menu, so make sure you are using the one inside the Bookmark Manager. Click Export Bookmarks. Chrome will then open a save window so you can choose where to keep the bookmark file. Select any location that is easy for you to remember, such as your desktop or Documents folder, and then save the file. This exported file contains your saved bookmarks and can be used later if you want to bring them back into Chrome or transfer them to another device. If you need to import bookmarks, the process starts in the same place. Open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, choose Bookmarks, and open Bookmark Manager. Then click the three-dot menu inside the Bookmark Manager. Instead of choosing Export, choose the Import option and select the bookmark file you saved earlier. Once you do that, Chrome will add those bookmarks back into your browser. That covers everything you need to know.